In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Canva. If you've ever tried to build a presentation, flyer, or social media graphic in Canva, you've probably run into the same problem. Everything looks good for a moment, and then one small move throws your layout out of alignment. Grouping solves that by letting you treat multiple elements like one single object, which makes moving, resizing, and organizing your design much easier. To get started, open Canva and go into the project you want to edit. From your homepage or recent projects, open the design you've been working on so it appears in the main editor. Once you're inside the canvas, find the section of your design that contains the elements you want to keep together. This could be a combination of text boxes, icons, shapes, or images that make up one part of your layout. Next, select all of the elements you want to group. There are two easy ways to do this. The first is to click and drag your mouse from an empty area around the elements, creating a selection box that covers everything you want included. This works well when the items are close together and easy to capture in one drag. If your design is more crowded, use the second method instead. Hold down the Shift key and click each element one at a time. That allows you to build a multi-selection more precisely. Once all of your target elements are selected, look toward the top toolbar in Canva. You should see an option labeled Group. Click it once, and Canva will combine those selected items into one grouped unit. You'll know it worked when these separate selection outlines are replaced by a single shared bounding box around the entire group. If you want to speed things up, Canva also supports keyboard shortcuts. After selecting your elements, press Ctrl and G on Windows or Command and G on Mac to group them instantly. This is especially useful if you work in Canva often and want a faster workflow. Now, if you need to edit just one item inside the group, you don't have to ungroup everything. Simply double-click the specific element within the group to isolate it. You can then make your change, like fixing text or adjusting a color, and click away when you're done. The rest of the group will stay intact. Before exporting, it's a good idea to do a quick alignment check. Move the grouped block around your canvas and use Canva's alignment guides to make sure everything is positioned exactly where you want it. When you're ready, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PNG for digital use or PDF print. If you're preparing something for printing, then click Download to save your final file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.